to do is to align your sights. This diagram right here represents the sighting system I just showed you on your handgun. The gray rectangular areas represent your two rear sights I just showed you a few moments ago. You got this part on this side and this part on this side. This right here is the front sight I showed you all. That front sight is the black rectangular area. To have sights that are aligned, they are level and centered. Look at it like this. I'm going to superimpose my actual slide onto my sight alignment as graphed here. My sights are level, going straight across. As I look through my rear sight, I'm going to find my front sight. On my sights, on my rear sights, I have two white dots. A white dot here and a white dot there. My front sight also has a dot. I can either look at the top edges of all three of my sights and verify their level, or I can look at those white dots and make sure those white dots are straight going across. I got white dots going straight across, that means my sights are level. Also too, you want to make sure that this front sight is directly in the center of these two rear sights. If I know that my sights are centered and level, that means I'm going to shoot what is directly in front of me. If my sight was too far to the left, instead of shooting straight ahead, I'm going to shoot like this. Vice versa. If my front sight is too far that way, I'm going to have like a smaller gap than this side. It's going to shoot like this. It's crooked. I'm going to shoot something off to the side. If I want to shoot something right in front of me, I'm going to point the handgun right in front of me. I'm going to make sure that that front sight is directly in the center. I got equal amount of space on the left side as I do on the right side. That's a visual cue that your handgun is shooting directly in front of you. Okay? This is not rocket science. I got this?
Yeah.
Beautiful. Now we're going to develop what is known as a sight picture. A sight picture is nothing more than having aligned sights with a target that you're trying to hit. In this diagram here, the target we're trying to hit is this circle. We're trying to hit this circle directly in the center. According to my handgun specific design as documented in my handgun's operator's guide, I have what's known as a 6 o'clock sighting system. 6 o'clock, Rick, what do you mean? Imagine that my target is the face of a clock. Where is 6 o'clock on this circle?
At the bottom.
Right at the bottom. That's what I'm going to put right over my front sight. Level and center, 6 o'clock. If I aim it right at 6 o'clock, I'm going to hit this target right in the center. So imagine, if you will, you got your sights aligned and centered, and you're going to point it right in the center. If you aim it right in the center, where's your shot going to go?
Up.
It's going to go up here. You might miss. So, 6 o'clock, level and center. Level and center, 6 o'clock, it'll go bang. You just point it right here, you might go up here. You might give them a part in the skull, or you might miss. Okay? We got